Hey, Chris Liepe here, continuing on with my channel, which is all about helping you find your musical voice, your own self-expression on your instrument. Guitar, voice, recording, and I got to thinking about it, and let's do a project together. I'm going to show you a riff, a theme, and I'm going to give you a drum loop, and I want you guys to make something out of it. Create variations on the theme, create layers around the theme, use whatever recording software you want to use whatever ideas come to mind based around this theme and this drum loop, and then share them with me. After watching this video, you can follow the link below and download your supplies. I will provide the drum loop in audio if you don't want to mess with the MIDI, but I'm also going to provide a MIDI file for you if you want to work with it that way. And then I'll provide a stem of the riff that I'm going to teach you now. But the idea here is I want you to take these two simple elements and be inspired and create something else out of it. And I want to hear it and react to it. Then I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to show you what I did with this theme, with the variations that I've come up with the layers I've added to it, what I've done with it. And so you're going to learn in two stages. One is, I've got this and this. I've got to be creative with it. This is going to be a challenge. I've got to do something that is thought of out of my own mind with these two things as inspiration, the guitar line and the drum loop. Then you're going to learn on another stage when you see what I did with it, and you can compare what you did and what I did. We're going through the same journey together with these two things, coming at it with different life experiences, different inspirations, different musical influences. And so learning on that next stage, when I break down my recording session for you, when I break down all the parts that I put in, the decisions I made, why I made them, and you get to hear how things are layered together and staggered and produced in there, that's going to give you inspiration to further try things on other projects. The best way to learn is by doing. The best way to discover your creativity is by putting yourself in a situation to be creative. So I wanted to give you guys that challenge. So here's the theme we're going to work with. Open 5 3 0 7. That's a little goofy, but you'll get it. And here's the drum loop. So click the link below to download the materials you need to get started, and then get started being creative. I can't wait to hear what you do. Well, how am I going to hear or see what you do? When you click the link to download the materials, you're going to be taken to a site called YouTube Sessions. And under May 2019, you're going to see the title of this video. Click on that, download the materials, and there are places for you to leave comments underneath. As you guys finish or progress in what you're doing, simply paste a link to a video that has what you did, or paste a link to a shared file somewhere, maybe on SoundCloud, and I'll be able to hear what you guys have done. And then you can look forward to hearing and seeing my submission in the coming weeks. And once I've gotten some of your material in, I'll even feature little snippets of what you guys did so we can see the variety that came out of this. So let's do this project together. I'm excited to see what everybody comes up with. See you soon.